How to clear cache in Amazon shopping. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear the cache. First of all, locate to the place where the application is. Now, simply tap and hold on to it. Now, here on the top, you can see this eye icon. Simply tap on this eye icon. So, we're in the settings interface. So here it's about the app information. Here you can see different application information that are available. Now here on the right bottom, tap on clear data. Now here you can completely clear all the data or simply clear cache. So cache basically means temporary files. Simply tap on clear cache and tap on OK. So as you can see, it has been done and the app will be refreshed and you'll be more smoother. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.